Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Happy Navaratri to all. Today we're talking about a lot of people ask me questions like which car is good for me, which car comes in a budget of 5 to 6 lakhs for me, which car is best for me between 10 to 15 lakhs budget. This question is an open question to me, and I am not able to answer any of this question because I will not be able to suggest them which car is good for them. The reason is every car is good, but which car suits him is very important. His family, which is very important. So I would not be able to answer this question. There are many reasons why people buy a car. Looking at the outer color or the interior or the stereo, the dashboard, the seating comfort, the driving comfort, etc. These are all not actual reasons to buy a car. The reasons why you should buy a car is how the engine performance is, how is the transmission, how is the chassis platform, how is the steering comfort, how is the suspension, how is the safety measures, and how is the engine performance, etc. These are the main important things which a person should look in buying a car for his family. The continuation of the video is done in the next video. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.